Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great day of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about NVIDIA acquiring Mellanox, which is a supplier of computer networking products. Some of the products Mellanox offers are adapters, switches, software, cables, and silicon for high performance computing, data centers, cloud computing, and data storage. Before we go into this, let's take a look at the price movement and statistics of NVIDIA and Mellanox. NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA, it surged almost 7% because of this news. Past week, up 2.42%. Past month, up 10.59%. Past 3 months, up 4.08%. Past year, down 34.45%. And past 5 years, up 784.7%. So as you can see, this is a very high growth stock, and because of its extremely high volatility, it dipped beginning of October almost 50%. Scrolling down a bit to take a look at the statistics. So currently $161.90. It's on the lower end of the 52-week range. Market capitalization is $91.29 billion. PE ratio is 24.3 and dividend yield is 0.381. Taking a look at Mellanox, ticker symbol MLNX. Mellanox Technologies today up 7.78%. Past week up 7.76%. Past month up 21.25%. Past 3 months up 24.89%. Past year up 61.7%, and past 5 years up 211%. So this is also a very high growth stock. Taking a look at the statistics, within the 52-week range, it's on the higher end of the 52-week range. Market cap is $5.9 billion. PE ratio is 47.84, and dividend yield is 0, which means they're reinvesting all profits back into growth. So as I mentioned, NVIDIA is nearing a deal to acquire Mellanox for $7 billion. And the sale could be announced as soon as, so this is today. And the lead bidder of the pack also includes Intel, but in this case, it outbid Intel. NVIDIA outbid Intel. And Mellanox, as I mentioned, has a market value of about $5.9 billion. And why would NVIDIA get into this? And this is because Mellanox chips power high-speed networks connecting servers and would help NVIDIA boost its chip making for data centers at a financially vulnerable times, thanks to China weakness and the cryptocurrency mining bubble burst. And looking at this article, it'll be about $125 per share in cash, at a total enterprise value of about $6.9 billion. And the company expects the deal to close by the end of 2019. So once the deal closes, NVIDIA expects the purchase to be immediately accretive to its non-GAAP gross margin, earnings per share, and FCF. So this is overall very positive news for both NVIDIA and Mellanox, the acquirer and acquiree. So that's all for this video. What are your thoughts on this acquisition, and what are your thoughts on NVIDIA stock? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or a free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.